Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today's objective is to get the StarLink install completed, at least make it work enough in the house so we can really start using it in the new configuration. Should be interesting.
That's one word for it.
Let's get going.
Yeah. Zoom, zoom, zoom. What else needs to happen? That way I know.
On the side of the... go ahead.
On the inside?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to go and tangle it off a weed. Cisa? She says, I'm going to help.
I don't need any help. I just need to get this off.
Meow, meow, meow. She says, all the little lights fell down again, Mom. They did, and some of them fell upside down. That's not cool. Because if they're upside down, they don't get
Okay,
any
this
solar.
is the last access point going into position. Well, if I can see. And that's fixed. The last exterior access point for feeding the house. I have one more to put up over on Irene's studio. I'll do that later this week. It's not a super important installation, but I want to make sure it gets done. Thanks for the help on the utility building.
No problem.
It took more than 2 hands to put that first access point up.
It's just, and it's way easier if I'm up top, that's all.
I actually had 2 ladders on the utility building, one on the side and one on the back. That meant that if I couldn't get the tie wraps to hold the access point on the mast, Irene could scamper up and help. So she did. I have the outside access points with the exception of the one for the studio, which is right behind me. I have one to go in the house, and I have a bunch of tinkering around with software settings on all these different things to improve the speed as much as I can. Now, there's been a lot of reports about StarLink's performance dropping, and that's the case. Still, it looks like what I've tested so far is a whole lot better than what we had. So we'll run this for about another 4 or 5 days, and if we're still happy, I'll ship the other one back. Say goodbye, Irene.
So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because obviously we're going to be doing lots more. I spent a lot of my day today doing paperwork, which was, oh.
Exciting.
No, it was really annoying, and I still have some more important stuff to do to talk to Germany so that I can ship stuff there. But I have to try and figure out what they're really asking me to do in some of those forms. It's just as clear as the IRS, you know?
That clear?
Yeah, that clear.
The German's usually a lot better.
Yeah, it's probably a little bit more clear. They're just asking for things I don't have.
Minor details.
Minor details.
Say goodbye.
Okay, so bye.
Bye. Keep brainstorming. We have a lot more stuff to do here and more brainstorming to do.
Yeah, tons.